Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu. What's going on in the Shiba Inu? What's the latest update? In this video I will share, but before starting this video please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So what really happened today? Let's see my friends, let's see. My friend, first of all, we are going to talk about the price of the Shiba Inu. You know what? In the previous 2 months, 2 months later, the Shiba Inu taken a huge pump. In a May month, the Shiba Inu take a huge explosion, and everybody wanna buy, sell, wanna buy Shiba Inu. But now, you know what? In the previous month, the Shiba Inu price very badly dumps. Continuously, the price of Shiba Inu is falls down. So that's why the people start hates from Shiba Inu, but a lot of people also love Shiba Inu. And they understand that Shiba Inu price will become explode. And they're right, my friends. My prediction is also going positive about Shiba Inu. 0.00006 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Shiba Inu in the market, and 0.09% changes occurred in the last 1 hour, negative 5.53% changes occurred in the last 1 day in a Shiba Inu, my friends. The price is completely going loss. But remember, my friends, remember, my personal prediction is positive, and I believe that upcoming 1 hour or 2 hours, the price of the Shiba Inu will become positive. The price of the Shiba Inu will become positive, and they give you a huge amount of profit. So just hold it. Never decide to sell before end of this month. They will give you a huge amount of profit. So it's time to make a profit with the Shiba Inu. And you know what? Also share your opinion, your prediction about Shiba Inu in the comment box, and tell me in the comment box especially that how do you feel today about the Shiba Inu? How do you feel today about the Shiba Inu? Just tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video.